Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to paste into a shape in Photoshop 2 method. Let's begin. First of all, copy method. I apply method on. First of all, copy this image. Press Ctrl A, then press Ctrl C for copy. Click here. Create a new layer. Filter. Add vanishing point. Hold space. Okay, then press Ctrl B. Wait for a few seconds. Press Ctrl T, hold Shift, click and drag it for the fixed size. Or rotate the image. Then click OK. And apply to method and method 2. Okay, then apply the same formula. Press Ctrl A, press Ctrl C for copy this image. Then press Ctrl V for paste. Hold Alt space or click mouse. Zoom out, hold Shift, click and drag it. Right click on your mouse, create clipping mask. Okay. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.